Today's video is about Bounty Killer being robbed and Vybz Kartel appeal update. It has been confirmed that legendary dancehall artist Bounty Killer and his girlfriend were robbed at gunpoint by four men. According to the sources, they were robbed of 500,000 Jamaican dollars, which is the equivalent of about 4,100 US dollars, a Rolex watch and two high-priced cell phones. People, it is not unusual for a big-name artist to be rolling around Jamaica with stash of cash. Usually when they go to a dubplate studio to do dubplate, they usually have multiple international sound systems waiting for dubplates. And for example, each Bounty Killer dubplate would be 500 to 1,000 US dollars. So if you did the math, that would be 5 to 10 dubplates. Bounty Killer is also promoting his birthday party, which will be held on the 10th of this month at Sabina Park. So it is quite possible that those funds were associated with payment expenses associated with that. At the end of the day, 500,000 might be a lot of money to the average Jamaican, but to Bounty Killer it would be a daily routine. People, we've reached a new low in Jamaica. Usually entertainers are immune to certain robberies. They are usually outer bound to even the most hard notorious thief and gunmen. These new breed of thieves have zero robbery etiquette. If Bounty Killer can get robbed in Jamaica, that means anybody can get robbed. This, however, sounds like a setup to me. I just don't see anybody robbing Bounty Killer at random. This sounds like some inside information thing. Bounty Killer usually rolls with an entourage, but I guess even the most cautious of us can let down our guards and be caught slipping. But I bet this won't happen anytime soon again. Bounty Killer, big up yourself. It is just monetary and material loss. You can make it back. What is most important is that you have your life, your talent, and your brand. You will bounce back. Leave those little low lives to time. Trust me, they won't live much longer. It is just a matter of time before police kill them or they get the jungle justice that they truly deserve for this major violation. According to a source, the appeal process for incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel could start within a week or two. That source was quoted in saying that the transcript would be ready within a week. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but those reports were never confirmed by any reputable news agencies in Jamaica. Vybz Kartel have a very competent PR team who usually informs the media on the latest news releases pertaining to the entertainer. It is very unusual that none of these news medias have any releases of this information. This information that was released was information that is common knowledge about the lawyer and the average appeal process. There is no official release from the lawyer. Nobody made any call to the lawyer to confirm this. The lawyer have not confirmed anything in any press releases. People, I know someone that is a stenographer at the Services Commission. That is the branch of the government that do the notes for most court cases and meetings pertaining to the government of Jamaica. And when they do a meeting that is a couple of hours long, the turnaround time for that note is about 3 weeks. The cartel trial was over a month long. Those notes are in short and they would have to be transferred into real English. It would never take 1 to 2 weeks to complete this process. There are usually multiple people that write, transcribe, and prepare these notes. They would have to be a long, tedious, and coordinated effort to get these notes correct. It would take months. It would take weeks again for Vybz Kartel's lawyer to go through all that paperwork that is associated with such an extensive, high-profile case, to read, summarize, and highlight the relevant injustices, inconsistencies, and grounds for appeal. They would have to then brief Vybz Kartel on their strategy, and that would take multiple visits to Vybz Kartel and our hours of phone calls. I am not trying to say that the wheels of the appeal process is not turning, but for a website or media to make such a bold announcement, I think it is very premature, irresponsible, and illogical. But some websites are like artists. They will say just about anything for views and attention. People, believe me, whenever any news of Vybz Kartel's appeal is available, it won't be released exclusively to some unknown website source. There is no need for secrecy. It will become common knowledge to everyone, even if you were living under a rock. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.